If you're looking for a way to save some time posting to your blog and have it automatically go to Twitter, I got a good one for you. The challenge here is it's not geeky so much as it is just a pain in the behind here to get this set up. But if you follow step by step what I'm going to show you, then this is going to save you a ton of time. And this is really good because you won't have to log into your Twitter account every time you want to tweet. You don't have to go to Hootsuite. It just automatically posts to Twitter every time you post a WordPress blog. Or you can even set it if you want to edit a WordPress blog and have it go to Twitter again. Tons of options here, but this is a huge time saver. I think you're going to love this. The name of the plugin is called WP to Twitter, and it's real easy to find. Just log into your back office of your dashboard of your WordPress blog and look for plugins, and then choose Add New and do a search for WP to Twitter, and then click Search Plugins. Then click, it's the very first one. It should be version 2.4 as it is today, as you can see. That's a good way, by the way, to tell if those are updated very often. The higher the number, the more they're updated. But this one's by Joseph Dolson. It should be the first one. Just click Install now, and then click Activate Plugin. And here's where the fun begins. Right at the very top of the page, after you activate, you're going to see Twitter requires by authorization. Well, you need to update your settings. Well, go ahead and click that Update Your Settings button, and now you're going to see all this. The most important thing you need to know right now is right in the middle. It's Twitter Application Registration page. Now open this in a new window by holding the Control button down and then clicking that link, and again open it in a new window, and then you're going to sign in with your Twitter account. So use the username of your Twitter account and the password of your Twitter account, and then go ahead and log in and go through the steps. The first step is the name of the application. I just normally name that my blog name. The description, I'll put WP to Twitter, or blog name to Twitter. And then the website is your complete website, the URL, and make sure that's HTTP, the whole thing. And then the callback URL, which again is the same thing as your website. And then you're going to go down to the bottom of that page and click Yes, Agree, and then fill out the annoying little CAPTCHA. And right underneath that it says there's a button to set it. And your next page, you're going to know you did it right. You're going to see Blog to Twitter, and it will have your Twitter name up there, whatever your Twitter page, or your your blog name will be there. Now there's a challenge now. Here's again step 2 of the fun. You're going to notice an organization that says none, website none, and the other challenge is it's read only. That needs to be set to read and write. If it's not, it's not going to work. So what you need to do at the top of the page is choose Settings. When you're on your settings page, change that from read only to read and write. Do not choose read, write, and access, just read and write. That's the only way this will work. So change that to read and write right there, and then underneath that put in your organization and your organization website, and then underneath that you'll see an update button. Click Update, and boom, you'll see your application settings have been successfully updated. Note your changes may take a moment to reflect. Well, we're still not done. There's still a few more steps we have to take here. At this point, click your auth tool, and you're going to see that access token and access token secret are not there. So we have to get those. So now go to Reset Keys. Click Reset and Reset Keys. And now you'll see your access level is read and write, and it gives you all your consumer key and your consumer secret, but it doesn't give you everything yet. Down at the bottom you have to click Create My Access Token. As soon as you create your access token, it appears. So everything is right there for you. At this point you have everything you need, but it's all over the map. So to find it real easily, go to the top of the page and click your auth tool again, and you're going to see your consumer secret, a consumer key, consumer secret, access token, your access token secret. Then what you'll want to do is go to your WordPress page. And on that page we're on, if you slide down, you're going to see where it asks for all those features that were on the auth settings, which is your consumer keys and secrets and things like that. Copy each one of those and paste them in the appropriate spot. So once you've completed that, just go ahead and click Connect to Twitter. When you click Connect to Twitter, you're going to see at the top of the page WP is connected with Twitter. And you're going to see in that big black box there's all your consumer secrets and keys and access tokens. Now you should be set up. However, there's still a few more things you have to do for this to be able to post to Twitter. Slide down the page and you're going to see choose your short URL service. Now I have a Bitly account. If you choose Bitly, they're going to ask for your consumer secret, your consumer code. If you don't have Bitly or you're not familiar how to do that, use the Google, the GOO.GL as a shortener. Those are the only two that I really got to work very well on this. But I use Bitly, but again, if you're not, the other one, the Google one, works just fine. So choose the one you want, and after you complete that, then you can choose the settings. So when you post a blog, it's going to go to Twitter as a new blog post, I should say. It's going to go to Twitter as a new post with the title and URL. Now you can change that. Where it says new post, you can put pound and then whatever keyword, whatever search word you want to use for Twitter. So for example, if this was a social media blog, I would put pound social or pound, social media, or however you want to do it. And that way when it posts to Twitter, it has that pound sign right in front of it. It's a pretty good way, so it automatically indexes it for the search. Update when a post is edited, that's optional. I usually change that off because I edit my posts quite a bit, but that's totally up to you. Sometimes if it's an older post and I go back and I want to retweet it, then I'll change these settings before I edit the post. Update when a page is published, totally up to you. Update when a page is edited, again, just total options, however you would like to set it up. Now if you go down this page, you're going to see that there's quite a few other features on here that you can adjust for this. But now what you should do is when you go to post a new post, or go to leave the edited one on for now, and go and edit an old post, and you have to edit, add a word, add something, and then repost it, and then go to your Twitter page and see if it's posted there. It should be. But don't forget to click the save the settings when you do this, of course. And you should be done. And there you go. That's how you post from WordPress to Twitter. Really convenient if you have a lot of blogs and a lot of Twitter accounts. Just saves you a ton of time. So if you need anything more, come visit us at the SEO-alien.com. Tons of tips there for you.